Hello students, hope you are doing good, and in today's video we are going to discuss जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ है 17 जून को UGC नेट का. Okay, so I have mentioned this headline. 27 जून the day UGC नेट इंग्लिश एस्पिरेंट वर betrayed, मतलब धोखा हुआ है हमारे साथ. बट देखते हैं कैसे. तो मैंने इसके लिए अपने स्टूडेंट्स से पूछा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल्स. आई गॉट lots of reviews and lots of comments. So based on that I have made this video to analyze the paper. Right now I have not seen the paper, but still I can feel your pain that you have in your mind and what you are suffering from right now. So let's discuss कि क्या हुआ आखिर ऐसा 27 जून के एग्जाम में. Okay, so if you're someone who is new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for UGC update, as well as for if you are someone who is preparing for UGC net examination, then this channel is for you. So let's, without wasting any time, let's move further to this first point. It is the exam that shattered trust. Okay, so for most of us means students who are preparing for UGC net English examination और जो ही कल appear हुए हैं, and they are saying that they have studied around 12 to 14 hours. They just spend it in reading, revising and solving PYQs, watching lectures, a lot of lectures they have watched, and sacrificing personal life if they want to roam around the city, as well as they want to visit some new places. They just sacrifices for this examination that was happened on this 27th June. And I got this comment that there is someone who has cleared the net twice before this examination, and when he or she just appeared for this time for the 27th June, and he or she feel that the moment she or he saw the paper, she felt or he felt helpless. Okay, so what went wrong? So I can say that everything went wrong. And now let's move to the what is this paper is all about. क्या था पेपर में? So this is the paper without a soul or a syllabus, because जो भी हमारा UGC का syllabus है जो कि बहुत vast है और हमें पता नहीं है कहाँ पे एग्जाम में कहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा. So students were shocked, not because the paper was tough तो था ही, but UGC net is always changing the pattern, and some people also find it illogical. मतलब ऐसे वहाँ पे राइटर्स पूछ दिए थे जिन्होंने कभी उनके बारे में सुना ही नहीं था. ओके, सो देयर इज नो क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द इंडियन एस्थेटिक्स. मुझे ऐसा पता लगा है कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन इंडियन एस्थेटिक्स से नहीं था. उसके बाद बाइबल ट्रांसलेशन से कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था, और पहली बार दलित लिटरेचर से भी कुछ नहीं पूछा गया था. उसके बाद नो रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अमेरिकन और अफ्रीकन लिटरेचर का भी ऐसा मुझे स्टूडेंट्स ने बताया. And not even the trace of periodicals, just like we have so many periodicals, for example Tatler, the Spectre. कुछ भी नहीं पूछा इस बार, है ना. So lots of students have practiced PYQs, and as well as lots of people have suggested them to practice PYQ, and they did a lot of practice, but nothing works here. So the questions from the unheard of means all the writers were unheard, and out of the context theories were asked in this examination that happened on the 27th of June. Okay, so now we have this comment like whosoever it is, he felt like the paper was set by someone who hates literature and wanted to punish those who love literature. We can say that wow means it is someone is saying that is the paper set by someone who hates literature was wanted to punish those who literatures. Okay, so there maybe means इस बार जो फॉर्म था वो शायद कोई भी फॉर्म भर सकता था अगर आप एमए किया हुआ आपने इंग्लिश नहीं किया हो. So that's the reason maybe they have did this, but I don't know what is the real reason. So I just got this comment, they didn't test knowledge, means student are asking that उन्होंने टेस्ट नहीं लिया है नॉलेज का. they tested whether we had read the minds of the question settlers or not. Okay, so let's move to the point number 3, which says that UI disaster means user interference. Okay, so the anti-interface nightmare. So someone is telling me जो पैराग्राफ्स आए थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी थे, और पूरा ही फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज माय स्क्रीन, और ये मैंने इसको छोटा कर दिया, और फिर मतलब वहाँ पे तो आप छोटा बड़ा कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते थे. अगल बगल आप माउस से खिसकाए जा रहे हैं, एंड देन it is really difficult to focus on the screen. Okay, सो ये एक बैटल था ब्रेन का, एंड इट इज बिकम बैटल अगेंस्ट द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन एज वेल एज. So I can also feel the pain when I appear in the examination years ago, and I see that the brightness भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, and only mouse is the only component of the hardware that works. Okay, so yeah, I can feel the pain of the students. Now we had to scroll up, down, left, right to even read the question properly. This is the comment which I got. And then the chronological questions could be solved because option weren't visible at once, because जो options है आपके बहुत screens के नीचे चले जा रहे थे. Okay, this is happening. And the reading comprehension more like reading frustration, because I have already told you this screen issue. And the reading comprehension, कोई बच्चे 5 times में पढ़ रहे थे, and it was a really lengthy paper. So now, you people have feel the emotional fallout more than just marks. I know that, because these aren't just complaints, means ये बिल्कुल भी complaint आ रही है मुझे अपने students की तरफ से. But what we can do now is we can prepare, we can analyze, and when the paper is out, I am going to make a separate video, and I will discuss all the answers. So if you are someone who is new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So now I got few comment that I study full time for the 2 years. 2 साल से ये बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, and I am just disappointed. I am heartbroken. Then I have been a JRF holder भी अभी भी एग्जाम दे रहा है, but this paper I am not even sure anymore. अब बताइए, जो ये बच्ची जो JRF क्वालिफाई कर दिया है, इसके भी ऊपर से जा रहा है पेपर. Then there was one comment that someone has just mugged 100 chronologies, watch webby videos, और इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद भी पेपर उसके पल्ले नहीं पिला. ओके, पर पल्ले नहीं पड़ा. Okay, now let's move to the point number 5. It is we can see the shifting patterns. We can see the shifting patterns here. We can see the shifting patterns, students. And कैसा shift हो रहा है? What kind of shift is there? That the most dangerous part of this job is unpredictability. We cannot predict anything. Like UGC एनटीए क्या पूछ देगा. अ सिस्टम डेट वंस रिलाइड, मतलब पहले कोई पैटर्न था वो फॉलो होता चला आता था, बट नाउ इट इज बिकमिंग सो डिफिकल्ट. सो नाउ वी आर द एनटीए इज ग्रेजुअली slowly shifting to the obscure, to the minor writers बहुत भर के पूछे जा रहे हैं, and always from the what taught in the universities. No clarity, no syllabus, no boundaries, only surprise, and not a good kind. And he or she may be right that only surprises is given by the NTA. Now, what is this exam or a lottery? Because why we can say that it is a lottery, because अगर किसी का पेपर 1 अच्छा होगा, उसने वो तो उसमें अच्छा स्कोर किया होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ समवन हैव टू क्रैक दिस एग्जामिनेशन, इन माई ओपिनियन, इफ ही और शी हैव स्कोर्ड 35 प्लस इन द पेपर 1, देन ही और शी में बी गेट द सिलेक्शन. एंड अगर पेपर 2 में भी उसको 60 नंबर के आसपास, मतलब 7 क्वेश्चन तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया, अगर 50 आधा पेपर भी अच्छे से कर लेता है 35, देन ही में और शी में बी एबल टू क्लियर इट. एंड ना एग्जाम कैन बी टेस्ट डेप्थ. और अब जो आने वाले एग्जाम है उसमें भी आपकी जो डेप्थ में आपको जाके पढ़ना पड़ेगा, तभी आपसे ये एग्जामिनेशन निकलेगा ना. एग्जाम वी हैव evolved, but without warning the student who have decided this year a lot to appear in the examination, it needs a lot of dedication as well as hard work. So this is not just mean for humans. It means, I have gone through a comment that someone is saying that this was not meant for humans, it was a digital circus, and they thinks that we are robots, not readers. Because some people are also saying me that कंप्यूटर से भी अगर आप सॉल्व करवाओगे तो वो भी कह देगा कि आई एम सॉरी, देयर इज नो रिस्पॉन्स फॉर इट. सो पेपर इतना डिस्कस था. नाउ इन कंक्लूजन, अब बहुत हमने बात कर ली पेपर कैसा था, अब थोड़ा सा चलते हैं कि अब क्या किया जा सकता है. वी कैन रेज आर वॉइस, लाइक एक पर्टिकुलर सिलेबस होना चाहिए था. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई, अभी अपने दोस्त के साथ शेयर करिए और ज़्यादा ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करिए. ओके, सो नाउ what we can do right now, if you are feeling confused, you are feeling cheated, or you are feeling disheartened, but what we can do it right now, we can have a defined syllabus, as well as we have to urge for the good digital interference, as well as we need to don't tolerate anymore. And I can feel the emotional toll on the students, and you have to do something about it. All of this demand attention, and not just for sympathy but for the systematic change we are asking for. मतलब हम इजी पेपर नहीं मांग रहे हैं एनटीए से। वी आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर द इजी पेपर, वी आर आस्किंग फॉर द फेयर वन। पेपर जो है वो फेयर होना चाहिए, जो बच्चा पढ़ के जा रहा है एटलीस्ट उसका तो क्लियर होना चाहिए, है ना। अब जो व्यक्ति पढ़ के भी जा रहा है उसका भी एग्जामिनेशन क्लियर नहीं हो रहा, तो ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा। सो वी आर आस्किंग फॉर द क्लियर सिलेबस एंड वी आर आस्किंग फॉर रिस्पेक्ट फॉर आवर टाइम, आवर एफर्ट एंड आवर पैशन फॉर द लिटरेचर, इट मे बी मेंटेन्ड। ओके, और एनटीए को ये चीज समझना पड़ेगा। नाउ फाइनल वर्ड्स फ्रॉम माय हार्ट इज दैट 27 June must be remembered not for the examination but lesson it gives us. Our 27th examination of English literature has given us a very important lesson that कुछ भी इस दुनिया में निश्चित नहीं है, anything can be possible, everything is possible. Okay, so this is the most sincere effort can fail flat in the system where fails students. Let us not be silent anymore, let's raise voice and we can demand NTA for the specific syllabus. If you like this video please subscribe to my channel and इतना शेयर करिए इस वीडियो के कि NTA तक पहुंच जाए, and let's ask where this justice in UGC NET examination. And that's all from my side. I hope you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much for joining this video, and in my upcoming videos I'm going to tell you about so much thing that how can you prepare for the December examination, and definitely you will feel easy when you are giving the examination December attempt. Okay, so अब कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, अब जब पेपर आएगा, जब हमारे पास लिंक खुलेगी, जब आप वहाँ पर मार्क करेंगे देन वी कैन सी एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फील लाइक आपसे क्या क्या गलती हुई है, एंड वी विल वर्क टुगेदर एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली क्रैक दिस एग्जामिनेशन. Okay, so thank you for joining me.